Eggplant, bell peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, bring them on. I eat them all the time, despite their being in the nightshade family that is often vilified by Tik Tokkers and other bloggers. They worsen arthritis and cause digestive problems because they're full of toxins. So goes the mantra. The toxins that these self-appointed nutritional gurus usually target are the alkaloid, solanine, and proteins known as lectins. Let's cut to the chase. There's no evidence that nightshades worsen arthritis. Actually, there's some evidence that they can be beneficial for the condition. While lectins can cause indigestion in some people, the vast majority of us have no such problems. As with any food, intolerances can occur, but these are rare, and the solution is simple. If a food doesn't agree with you, just don't eat it. Now about those alkaloids. These are compounds produced by plants to deter predators and always contain nitrogen atoms, usually incorporated into a cyclic structure. Cocaine, nicotine, strychnine, caffeine, morphine, solanine, and atropine are classic examples. Atropine is found in the berries of the deadly nightshade plant, also known as belladonna, and those berries are really toxic. The name atropine comes from Atropos, the goddess in Greek mythology in charge of cutting the thread of life. Supposedly, it was with deadly nightshade berries that Livia cut the thread of life of her husband, the Emperor Augustus. Roman soldiers also tipped their arrows with belladonna juice to poison enemies. It is the botanical similarity of nightshade plants to deadly nightshade that spawned stories about their toxicity. These stories about toxicity are not totally mythical. Potatoes, for example, do contain solanine, albeit in trace amounts that are of no consequence. However, improper storage and sprouting can increase solanine to toxic levels. In a classic case in England in 1979, some 78 students were sickened with vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, convulsive twitching, and hallucinations after eating improperly stored potatoes. They all recovered within a few days, but they were left with a memorable experience. Solanine is produced when a potato sprouts, along with green chlorophyll needed for photosynthesis. The chlorophyll is not harmful, but its presence indicates the presence of solanine. So the moral of the story is to store potatoes in a cool, dark place, and if they turn green and sprout, throw them out. You can also throw out the shady advice about not eating nightshade vegetables. They belong on your plate. One mystery does remain. Why are they called nightshades? The answer? Well, it's a mystery. And that for today is our Cup of Joe.